Does it feel like no matter how hard you try, when you pull out your phone or maybe the old camera that you have laying on your shelf, when you try to create a video, it never turns out good enough? It doesn't look professional or fancy enough like you see others online create. Well, in this video, you're gonna learn how to create professional, amazing, beautiful looking videos, even if you're just using your phone. So let's go ahead and get into it. My name is Mike and I help online entrepreneurs not only create videos that look and sound great, but also get you great results for your online business. And links to anything that I mentioned, including gear and some resources, will be linked in the description below. So go ahead and check that out at the end of the video. So this video is perfect for you if you're a course creator, you're a coach, you're an online expert, and you want to be using videos for your online business. And you might have heard this saying that video is the future. Well, that's not true because the future is now. Video is now. If you are an online course creator or a coach, or you're a thought leader or you're a speaker, you need to be using videos in your business, and I want to help you do exactly that. So why is this important? Because simply put, better looking videos make you more money. Because gone are the days where you can just duct tape a six-figure business that doesn't look like a six-figure business, because you wouldn't want to create a sales page that looks like a Google Doc, and you wouldn't want to buy a Tesla that looks like a Ford Focus, right? So we want to make sure that, and no offense to Ford Focuses, I had a Ford Focus. That was the car that I drove before I got my new car. And yeah, very humbling experience. Imagine driving off on your wedding night in the Ford Focus. Oh yeah. But in all seriousness, let's talk about why better looking videos is really important for your business. You hear a lot of business coaches, marketing coaches say, do not worry about the visual quality. It's more important about what you're saying in your videos. The content is way more important, and I disagree. I think we need to raise the level of our visual quality to match the content that's inside of our videos. Because if you put two videos side by side with the exact same content, like they literally said everything word for word, but one looks very poor quality, like, you know, very scammy, maybe just like, you know, just looks bad, right? And then one that looks like it's well put together. Which video are you gonna trust, click, watch all the way through? And it's the one that's actually put well together. And there's a lot of times, you guys, you have a great message to share. Like your stuff is amazing, but no one is actually watching it because you're blending in with everyone else that looks the same. And I want you guys to stand out in the feed and have people never have to second guess whether or not they should listen to you. And here are just a few things having better quality videos will do for your business. I mean, it not only positions you as the leader, but it also gives you opportunity, whether it's speaking opportunities, guest podcast interviews, guest training inside other coaching programs, as well as attracting the type of clients that also cares about quality all the way through, not just inside of your program, but also everywhere else that is front facing, which is your brand. And if you're a personal brand, you're the face of your business, your company, you want to put the best impression out there, right? Which is why you take great branded photos, which is why you have a branded look that looks amazing. And I want to make sure that your videos are up to par with the quality that you expect. Now, I already covered this in another video. One of the mistakes that I see a lot of people make is thinking that you do need the best camera or the best lighting, the best gear out there, and that is entirely not true. As long as you follow a formula, you can get great, amazing looking videos, whether you're using your phone or you're using a professional camera. And so what I really want you to know is that it's not about the camera or the lighting, but it's actually more about the space, the location, and the audio that you're hearing. People can actually deal with poor looking videos, but they can't really handle poor audio. If you want to check out a free masterclass, I go into more detail and you can see the difference between what a professional looking camera and lighting looks like versus a video that was shot on a phone, and how the phone looks 10 times better than the professional camera and the lighting. And if you want to see that, go ahead and check the link below. It's a free masterclass. It's called How to Attract the Right Clients with Better Looking Videos Without Spending Hours Making It. It's completely free. You're gonna love it. So go ahead and check it out after you finish this video. So let's go ahead and get into the criteria of creating better looking videos. You could be using this for your webinars, your coaching calls, your social media content, anything really, whether you're doing video podcasts. Let's level up all of your video content. Here are the 4 criteria to better looking videos. Number 1 is space. Number 2 is audio. Number 3 is lighting. And number 4 is the camera. So let's talk about the first one, your space. I put this as the first one because that's actually the most important, believe it or not. Because if you have a bad looking space, it's not a very good location, no camera and no lighting is gonna be able to fix a bad location. So number 1, make sure the location is great. Look at the background. What's in your shot? Are there too many things in the shot? Are you more minimalistic like me and you don't want that many things in the background? Is it like all crooked and weird looking? Like, get the background fixed first, and then that way your whole shot kind of just feels put together. It's like this hidden thing where you look at a video and you're like, why does this look so good? If you just stop looking at the person and look in the background might give you a clue as to why the video just looks better for whatever reason. The second one is audio. So very simply, just determine which type of mic you want to use, right? So for someone like me, I'm using a lapel mic. This is just a microphone that's attached to my collar and is going straight into the camera. Now, if you are like, let's say a fitness coach and you want to be able to move around, then you want to get like a wireless lapel mic where you have more freedom to move around. If you want to be multi-purpose, then you can use something like this podcast mic and use it for your videos. If you know you're gonna be in one spot every time, like I could be using this. Just figure out what type of microphone you wanna use. But for me, I like using a lapel mic so then I can move if I want to and not have to be constrained to a certain spot because I like to move. Okay, the third part is lighting. Let's get into this. You want something that's big and soft. And believe it or not, I'm not even using any lighting. What I'm using is the window that's right beside me. And guess what? That's big and it's soft because the light is not directly coming into the window. It's kind of above the building and it's just kind of just bringing in this soft light. Now, when you do use the window, you might be noticing it now. The lighting starts to shift around, right? It might get brighter, might get darker. And that's something if you want to deal with, you totally can, which I don't mind whatsoever at all. But if you want consistent lighting, then you're gonna want to get a light. There's a lighting recommendations on my website. If you go to michaelcarlmoore.com/gear, I believe that's the link. Otherwise, if it's not, just go ahead and check out the link below and I give you the best gear in terms of lighting. But essentially what you want is something that's big and soft. And a lot of times, if you're using a ring light, which I hear a lot of people say to use a ring light, I don't 100% recommend a ring light because the way people use ring lights now is not how it's supposed to be used. Sometimes it casts a hard light and not something that's soft. And it has it has a ring that it puts in front of your eyes. And it doesn't really make sense if you're just speaking direct to camera. You want something that's actually soft and big, which gives us this natural feel, which is, I'm guessing, what a lot of you are after. Not the highly stylized makeup photo shoot that has the weird glare in your eyes. But you can still get away with using the ring light if you follow the formula to creating better looking videos, which I explained in the masterclass. Now, the last part is camera, okay? You could use your phone or you can use a professional camera. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you follow a formula. If you do want to see a difference between what a professional camera looks like and a video on a phone looks like and how the phone looks better than the professional camera, then you do want to check out that masterclass. It's gonna be cool. So that's it. That's how you create amazing looking videos. If you want to just replicate what I have right now, I'm just using a simple Sony camera. The window is right beside me and I am a good amount of distance away from the background. Just follow that simple formula. Now there's more that goes into it, but if you just copy what I just do right now, your videos are just automatically gonna look that much more better. That much more better. Yeah, that much more better. Again, if you wanna know how to attract the right clients with better looking videos without spending hours making it, go ahead and check out the free masterclass. The link is in the description below. If this video was valuable to you, then make sure you subscribe because there's gonna be more content like this to help you in your online business. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.